welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sadie and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute pillow. A lot of difficulties in the making of this, but I think it turned out super cute. It would go good in like a children's bedroom. Well, if you want to know how to make this, stay watching so that you can see how to make it. Okay, now I am going to give you something very special. I'm going to give you the privilege of subscribing to my channel. You have my consent to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's all I really have to say. Now, let's get on with the tutorial. Let's go. Okay, so first you're gonna start off with these nice blankets. I got mine at Dollar Tree. They were $1. And I decided to go with this rainbow one that I found. Also, I just remembered today is St. Patrick's Day, so this actually goes great. I'm opening a pack of scissors that I probably shouldn't have used because they really suck. And I'm gonna cut out these plastic parts that hold it together, if that makes sense. Next, I'm just gonna fold it in half. That way it's easier to work with, and I only have to cut out one thing. Next, I decided that I would make my pillow 12 by 12 and add a border of 3 inches. If you're doing this, don't do the mistake I did because you'll see what happened. Make sure to add 3 inches on the top, bottom, and both the sides. That way it's not rectangular. That was a mistake I did. So now I'm just gonna cut out the excess, the parts that I didn't need. With the stupid scissors. I probably should have used my actual sewing scissors because this would go by way faster, but oh well, didn't think of that until like literally the end of me cutting out stuff. Okay, so here I'm just adding 3 inches onto the top because I messed up and forgot to do that. So if you're doing this, don't make the same mistake I did, because it made a very small pillow, and I wish it was not triangular. What? I wish it was square. Next, I'm just cutting the folded part. I'm just gonna cut that so I have 2 separate pieces. Next, I'm just gonna cut out the squares on the corners. We don't need those, they're just gonna get in the way, so just remove them, cut them out, say goodbye to them, and throw them away. Okay, now I'm gonna open my creepy sewing box and show you guys my voodoo doll, which isn't actually a voodoo doll, it just looks like one. And then realize that my good scissors aren't in there, so I have to dig through another drawer. But yeah, I finally got some good sewing scissors to do this, and I'm just gonna cut 1-inch strips around the 3 inches that we made. Okay, now you're just gonna do the same thing that we did on my how to make a bag video, where you take the bottom and the top and tie it into a knot. If you haven't seen that, I will link it down below in the description box. And you're just gonna do that all the way around. Now you will lose a couple of inches in the center, so I probably should have made it like 14 or 15 inches around, but oops, oh well. Now take whatever you want for filling your pillow with. I chose stuffing, but you could also use plastic bags, grass, I don't know, cotton balls, whatever you have around your house. And just make sure to leave it little openings, that way you can stuff it with stuffing or whatever. And yeah, that was a comfy pillow, so there was my thumbs up. Now just finish it off, tie all the knots. And I'm adding just a little bit more stuffing. And yeah, last knot. Yes! We did it! This took like an hour to do, so I was very tired after doing this. Originally I was gonna do 2 pillows, but after doing this, I just decided not to. And you made it. Congratulations. You made it this far into the video. That is really special. That's really something. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, my consent is still there. You can still subscribe to my channel. You still have the privilege right now. And if you like this video, why don't you go ahead and like it? Give it a thumbs up. And share it with your friends if you think your friends would like it. Comment down below something. I don't know. It's your comment. So, with that being said, hopefully I'm in frame. If I'm not, I have to redo this. Yeah, okay. See you again in my next tutorial. Bye! Actually, it might not be a tutorial. See you again in my next video.